This is not a how-to-do video, so basically I'm just sharing what I'm experiencing today with you guys. Unfortunately, the end of the season is quite depressing, no more riding, but you know, I have like 11 bikes in the garage, so if we have any chance to catch another good day, I have enough bike to take it out. But this baby needs to be taken care of, and you know, a little bit extra love at end of the season. What I did was I washed the bike completely, wax it, apply I polished wherever I needed to, polish the exhaust and everywhere. And I went through like the really deep cleaning. I applied the lotion or softener to the seat or leather, and the main thing is to taking care of the carbs. It's off basically, and I'll let the gas burn out of the carbs. So I'm gonna end up with a tank full of nice correct gas with a stabilizer and an empty carbs. This is my goal. So right now I need to, the carbs must be quite empty, but I'm gonna double check. Looks like there is some more. Done. So I'm going to connect it again. This time I have a 100% trustable gas inside the tank. So I'm gonna connect this like temporary. It's hard to work with one hand. Okay. Run for 5 minutes. What I'm going to do is shut off the valve completely and let the engine burn whatever is left inside the cars. Based on the information on the bottle, 2 ounce is enough for 5-gallon tanks. So this is like 5.8. So I'm gonna go for 2 ounce. Yeah, like I said, because this is a really high quality gas. So this is 1 ounce right now. So I'm gonna add it to the tank. Okay, and one more time, and I'll let the bike run for 5 minutes. Okay, so the carbs are 100% empty. Even I'll put it on choke, nothing. So it's ready to be in storage for like whole winter. I just noticed the tank is not 100% full, so I'm gonna add a little bit more ethanol free gas, and then I'll put it in the storage. Thanks for watching, and hope this winter is not going to be that cold. At least we can ride a couple of times before the good weather comes back. For those who living in warmer states, ride safe, make it safe, enjoy, and see you soon.